Yeah, here, I'll turn the light on.
What do you mean, where did I come from? Oh, this is the beginning. It's kind of dented. That's what they call metal fatigue.
Yeah.
Ignore my shaky hands.
And instead, you took those pieces off.
And now we have this.
Basically, same grill.
Same grill and redesigned top and this.
The back piece is the same, right?
Yeah, back piece is the same.
Just had to add a little bit of pieces so you can actually, they're all riveted together. It is a welded top.
Yeah, it's
So
a
that's
welded
good.
top, so we can show that on the inside there.
Get in
Hard to
there.
see there. There's a little bit of light, it's all black.
Yeah, that's tough.
Come under the light.
It's all underpainted.
Under the light there, you can see the weld in there.
That's better. Yep. Good thick weld. 3/4 of an inch wide.
And so,
Nice
this
scallops.
that's structural too, so really it's
Yep.
got double the structure on the crest.
Yep. Nice tight fit. Filled some holes.
Yep.
No, it looks like a good solid bucket now.
Feels like it.
Damn straight. Cool, man. As opposed to, yeah.
Wow.
Time,
What a change.
time for an upgrade.
Yeah.
I think we can honestly say that.
There's going to be a few people who are really pleased to see this one retired. But this should be put on a plaque.
Oh yeah.
That helmet has seen a lot of battles. It had Penzic paint on it.
I think your Penzic paint might be most of your structural integrity on those little
Yeah.
pieces. So, well,
Yep.
cool. A happy ending.